Welcome to Kinfolks Knowledge.
C++ program to check whether a number can be expressed as sum of two prime numbers. Here's a C++ program to check whether a number can be expressed as the sum of two prime numbers. C++. Copy code. Hashtag include. Using namespace std. Bool is prime, int num. If num less than equals 1. Return false. For int I equals 2. I less than equals num, 2, plus I. If num % I equals 0. Return false. Return true. Int main. Int num. Bool flag equals false. Coup less than, enter a positive integer. Sin greater than num. For int I equals 2. I less than equals num, 2, plus I. If is prime, I. If is prime, num, I. Coup less than num less than, can be expressed as the sum of less than I less than, and less than num, I less than. Less than endl. Flag equals true. If flag coup less than num less than cannot be expressed as the sum of two prime numbers. Less than endl. Return 0. In this program, we use the isPrime function from the previous program to check whether a given number is a prime number. The user is prompted to enter a positive integer, which is read in and stored in the variable num. We then use a for loop to iterate through all the numbers from 2 to num2. For each number I, we check whether I is a prime number using the isPrime function. If I is a prime number, we check whether num I is also a prime number. If both I and num I are prime numbers, we print a message indicating that num can be expressed as the sum of I and num I. If none of the possible pairs of prime numbers add up to num, we print a message indicating that num cannot be expressed as the sum of two prime numbers. Finally, the program returns 0 to indicate successful program execution. The end.